um, नहीं नहीं वो कैमरा गड़बड़ कर रहा है। Okay, I think we are live now. I am going to solve a P1 today. This is May June 24 variant 1 2, I think. Okay, I think I ready to begin. Let's start. Okay, so this is the exam. Let's start. Question number 1 is from binomial expansion. Is the coefficient of x squared in the expansion case. In the expansion of 1 minus 4x power 6 is 12 times the coefficient of x squared. So I have two specific terms to find. So 6cr, 1 power 6 r minus 4x power r. Okay, and 2 plus kx. So 5cr, 2 power 5 minus r ax power r. Okay, I think I'm going. So x power r should equal x x square and x power r should equal x square, so I have 6 square and x power r should equal x square, so I have 6 c2 1 power 6 minus 2 minus 4x power 2 5 6 minus 2 minus 4x power 2 5 c2 20 plus, so 360 48.6. To 28.300. Okay. Check if those are the correct answers. To 28. Those are the correct answers. Question number 4 says the function f is defined as follows. F of x equals to root of x minus 1 for x is greater than 1. Find an f inverse. That's simple. So f inverse of x equals to x plus 1 whole square. That should be correct. Correct. The diagram shows a graph of this. State the range of g and explain whether g inverse this. This is going down and it's not touching the x-axis, which means that x is greater than 0 or y is greater than 0, my bad. And what is the stop value? How will I find this? I'll put equals to 0. So 1 over 0 square plus 2 gives me half. So y is greater than 0 but less than half. G inverse does not exist because x is not 1 to 1. Okay. The function h is defined by this. For x is greater than 0, solve h of f of x equals to f of 25 over 16, giving you this. What is f of x? F of x is root of x minus 1 for x is greater than 1. Okay, so h of f of x is 1 squared plus, yep, I think it, f of 25 over 16, so root of 25 over 4 minus, and here I have a complicated expression. I'm not going to expand this right now and work out without expanding. Okay, so this is 1 over 4 that gets cross multiplied, and I can 4 equals to root of x square plus 4 minus 2 root of x whole squared. Okay, take a root in both sides. You get root of x minus 1 equals plus minus 2 root of x root 2 root of x minus equals to minus root. That's root of x root of 2 plus 1 plus root of x can never be negative because that on the other right hand side is a negative. I will simplify this and I'll say I square both sides and I get equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2. I have probably done this in a more complicated way than it's done, but I think I am getting the correct answer. I think it would have been easier had you opened up this and turned it into a disguised quadratic and then solved further. Okay. Let's see question number 5 after this. The first and second terms of an arithmetic progression are theta and sine theta respectively, where theta is between 0 and pi over 2. Given that theta equals to pi over 4, given find the exact sum of the first 40 terms. Arithmetic n over 2 2a plus n times t 39. Okay, so the first term is going to be 10 pi over 4 and pi over 4. So 1 and root 2 over 2. Okay, so 40 terms is times 2 plus 39 root 2 over 2 minus 1. Exact sum, that means I want you to leave it in terms of pi and root. 40 plus 390 root 2 over root 2 minus 390 root. And this is a little awkward for me because okay, that should be the correct answer. Walaikum salam, Bishan. Okay, then it says our geometric now, and the sum to infinity. To infinity is a over 1 minus r in terms of theta. So a is tan theta, and r should be sine theta over tan theta. Term 2 divided by term 1. So that gives me tan theta 1 minus. Okay, let's put that as divide, that I can simplify that. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Okay, that gives me cos theta. So sine theta over cos theta. I run out of space because very weird way. Sine theta and cos theta 1. Okay, this sort of simplified to cos theta if you didn't get that. Let me check if I've done it correctly. Sine theta over cos theta minus cos square theta. Yeah, that's fine. Given that theta equals to pi over 3, find the sum of the first 10 terms of progression, giving your answer correct. Here's so tan theta and again and pi over 3 and sine pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 is root 3 2 and pi over 3 should be root 3. Sum of 10 terms is a 1 minus 4 power n over 1 minus. So a 1 minus r. R should be root 3 over 2 divided by root 3. That means I'm going to get half. Correct to 3 significant figures. I can put this on my calculator now. Okay, put this on my calculator. Root 3 to 1 power divided by 3.46. That's the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 6. The curve with equation this has a minimum point at A, so dy by dx should be 0, and intersects the positive x-axis at B. So y is 0. Find the coordinates of A and B. Y is 0, do that first. 8x power half equals 2x, you square both sides, and you get 64x equals to 4x squared minus 4x 8 is either 0 or x. No, sorry, not 8 or 64. 16. So it's minus 8 power half 32 minus 2, that's 0. Okay, positive x axis. So B has the coordinates 0. Then dy by dx is 2 minus 4x power minus half, 0 to minus 4 over 2 to 4, and then y is 2 times 4 minus 4 power half. Okay, 8 minus 8 to power half, 4 power half is 8. So A should be 4 comma. Those two are correct. Easy 4 marks. Part B, it's the same curve now with shaded area. So above, below. Okay, so I will need these points first. Okay, these are the same points. The diagram shows the curve and line A. If that is the same, then this and this is already there. So I have 4 and 16. 4 and 16. And then I just need to do above minus below. So 2x minus 32 over 3. And the below part is 2x minus power half dx. So I can integrate these two separately as well. I can integrate them together. It's easier if I integrate them separately because that one has powers in it. Although this 2x might have cancelled that had I done that. In any case, that's fine. Right now 2x squared over 2 minus 32x 4 to 6 1 third, 2x squared over 2 8x power 3 over 2 divided by 4 to 6. 1/3 squared minus 32x. Go to 6 square 8 times 16 over 3. 1/3 squared 4 4 squared power 4 squared 4 power 3. Okay, I'll have to be careful in terms of calculating all of this because it's tough calculations. Square minus gives me minus minus 4 square minus 32 4 makes it plus 1. Below is teens power 32 over 3. Hope that's the correct answer. 32 over 3. Answer. Okay. Question number 7. The equation of a circle is this. The line of symmetric equation. This is a tangent to the circle. Find the two possible values of A. So I solve this simultaneously. B square minus 4AC should be equals to 0 then. 2A minus, square minus 12x plus 36 plus 2A minus plus square 18 x square minus plus 6 plus 3A minus whole square equals to 8 x square minus 12x plus 36 square minus ax plus x 2x square 12x plus 36 b square minus 4ac equals to 0 because it's a tangent. So just going to make sure that I'm doing this correct. Forgotten. Okay, so 144 12 6 72 144 a plus 36 8 into 18 44 8 into 4 A equals to 0 or A equals to 4. That's true. Yeah. And the two possible values of A. For the greater value of A, which is 4, find the equation of the diameter perpendicular to the given tangent. Okay. So the tangent has a gradient of -1. The gradient is -1. And is, I don't know the point right now, but that is okay. This has a gradient of -1. I want to find the equation of this red diameter. Okay. One thing that I know is that the gradient will be 1, the reciprocal of the tangent, and that it should pass through the center of the circle or this point. I can find either of those 2 points. I think it's easy to find because this is just the simultaneous solution from these two. I can pick this equation from here, and although you can't do that on the but I'm going to do that here to rush through calculations. I'm going to plug in A as 4. 36 times 4 is 1, 4, I think. So 2x square minus plus 18 9 minus 1 y minus y1 y plus 1 minus x y equals plus 8. Uh, why did I use minus 7 plus? Yeah, correct answer. Question number 8 is, I think, circular measure. The diagram shows a symmetrical disk. The line ABCD is straight and the length of BC is 2 centimeters. Each of the two sections ABF and DCE of radius R and each angle ABF and DCE is equal to 5/3. Okay, it is given that R equals to 0.4, so that the length EF equals to 2.4. Okay. So this length is what I need to add to. If I am given the radius is given that R equals to 0.4, so this has to be 0.4 and this has to be 0.4 as well. And calculate that angle. That's going to be pi minus pi/3, and I can then use sine and say that sine pi minus pi/3 is 2 pi/3. Pi/2 minus pi/3, my bad. 3 pi minus pi/6. Okay, so x is 0.2 then, and I can say that EF equals to 2 plus 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. 0.4. And the exact area of the plate, giving an answer correct to three significant figures. The area of plate is basically two sectors, two triangles plus one rectangle. Or I can count that as a trapezium as well if I want. But I found most of the things. Half r square, 0.4 square, sorry, 0.4 squared theta. Theta is pi over 3. Now for the triangle, I have the height or the base, and I don't have the height. I will have to find the height either using the Pythagoras theorem or using trigonometry. So cos pi over 6 equals to height over 0.4. The exact take to 3 significant. So I'm going to round that off later on. 0.2 root 3 half 0.2 angle is 2 into 0.2 root 4 pi over 75 root 3 over 25 of 4 pi plus root 5 plus 0.53 significant. Oh, that's wrong. 0.930. Okay, so that's correct. Then is given instead that the perimeter of the plate is 6 centimeters. Find the value of r, giving your answer correct to 3. Okay, 2 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 plus arc lengths. Arc lengths are pi over 3 into 4 plus into 2 as well.